Choppers, I am making a simple beans. In here we have our tomato chopped, onion chopped, green onion chopped. That's the only three things that you can have in this pot, and some vegetable oil. I'm just going to fry it onto the tomato. It's a little bit dry. Then once it's dry, I'm gonna put in my garlic, my grand garlic, ginger, and green spices. And when I talk of green spices, I am talking about parsley, oregano, and what else did I put in that green spices? A little bit of rosemary, yeah, and celery. That's what you have in my green spices, and a little bit of black pepper and white pepper too. So when it's a little bit dry, I'm gonna put in my purees that I blended my stuff. Choppers, as you can see, I just added my blended green spices puree. Choppers, as you can see, it's a little bit dry, different from as it was before. I'm sorry, my pot is moving a lot. We can now add our beans. That's our beans, guys. Red kidney beans, that's what I'm using. And I'm just gonna go ahead now and mix everything so that it incorporates perfectly. That's the mixture, guys, and you cover your pot, you add Maggi and salt to taste, and let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then you turn off your stove and serve. And your family can eat this with bread, with rice, with fried plantain dodo, with yam, with cassava, that's manioc, with whatever your family likes to eat beans with. So choppers, this is what we want to eat our beans with. This chicken is boiled with some spices, dry spices, a little bit of salt. Now I just added my green spices. Remember the green spices from the beans. Yep, I'm gonna marinate the chicken with. It was boiled. I'm gonna marinate the chicken with and fry it and add in our beans, and there you go. Chopper, so this is the end of the chicken. When you fry it until it's golden brown, then you can pieces it and put in your shred it and put in your beans. Now let's go shred it and enjoy, or just leave it like this, however you want it. Bye choppers, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We are back.